Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have been on eBay probably too much. And I recently bought some 24-inch Rainbow High Amaya Raines, and we did a face-up, a changeover on one. Oh, I love her. Up in my doll nook, I have a doll room, a doll nook, and a studio. I know I'm very spoiled. I have an Amaya Raine standing next to the Poopsie Surprise Amaya Raine, standing next to the, is it 10.5-inch Rainbow High doll. And I really like it. So I bought my new dolls some mini-me's. Oh my God, she's so cute. Let me reach her.
And Marna loves a doll in skates.
Oh my God, I love a doll in skates. I like to see kids out skating. I recently bought this Belle Parker head that Darren and I put on this Amaya Raine 24-inch body. And I bought her to stand with her, and I need the small one. I don't think I have a Belle out of the box. I am a box collector as well as an out of the box collector. And I have a large collection of Rainbow High dolls still in the box. But I'm going to get her cleaned up, and then I'm going to change her. She's really cute though. Change her outfit to match, and going to have some fun there standing them together. I just think they're cute. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
They changed the mold a little bit. It's not quite the same face structure. It's close.
It's very close, yeah.